Take a look at this right here. Hey, you can't tell me that doesn't look absolutely delicious. Hey, cheers, fam. Shrimp fried rice, cooked right at home. Hey, I got you in the game. Let's go down to my workstation and let me show you how to make this delicious shrimp fried rice. Fried rice, I'm gonna be honest with you, it goes by so quick. You gotta make sure that you got all your ingredients prepared. Now, I got me a shallot here, what I'll be using. You can use an onion if you like. This will give it a bunch of flavor. So 1 full shallot diced up would do. Now I'm gonna have some garlic and I'm just gonna smash this and then get rid of that outer shell. Just kind of an easy way to get this, peel. You can do little tricks and hacks if you like. Put it in a bowl, shake it around. But for me, hey, this is like one of the easiest ways. Like I said, just smash it down because I'm gonna mince it anyway, right? And then you just get the shell off like that. So I got about 6 cloves of garlic, various sizes. And then I'm just gonna come in and then I'm gonna mince this up. And normally I do use my garlic press, but to be honest with you, like I said, to save time so I don't fumble anything, I just go ahead and mince this up myself. Time is of the essence when making shrimp fried rice. Now the only other thing I'm gonna use is some green onions, and then I'll use this for garnishment at the end of the recipe. So we just get that chopped up. And you can use like the end of this too. This will be flavorful also if you want to put that in your shrimp fried rice. So I got my wok, and you want to get a little Wok Hei, get that thing breathing, right? I'm using some avocado oil, so it got a nice little spoke point. I got me 1 egg. I'm gonna go ahead and get this whisk. We're gonna scramble this, you know what I'm saying, fried rice, right? Now, once I got this thing breathing, like it should, I'm gonna add just a little tad bit more of that oil. And I'm gonna come back in with my shallots and garlic. And then I'm gonna start with my shrimp. And then this is gonna go pretty quick. So you wanna keep it moving, right? And I'm not gonna overcook my shrimp. Let everything become fragrant. Get your little couple tosses in there. Like that right there. And I did season my shrimp with some Creole seasoning. Like I said, you don't want to overcook your shrimp, so about a minute would do. Then remove that shrimp because we're gonna add it back in at the end of the recipe. So this right here, hey, it looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and remove this from our wok. Now I'm gonna come back with some more oil. And we got some flavor in that pan right there. So I'm gonna go back, put my egg in. And then we'll get that egg done right. Now I do have my rice that I cooked and saved. And really I had it in the fridge for a couple of days, right? So a day old rice would do. A couple of days won't hurt. So then I got my rice I'm gonna come in with, and then we'll get this all chopped up. This is a couple cups right here. Now with day old rice, you will have to fluff out the rice before you put it in the pan. Practice safety. Working with a hot pan, you can burn yourself, so don't do what I'm doing here. But right now I'm just fluffing out the rice so we can get every grain separated, and we'll be on our way to an absolutely delicious shrimp fried rice recipe. And then once we got all our clumps out of our rice, then we can go to work. And if you want to add a little bit more oil, again, this is fried rice. You definitely can at this moment, this time. Hey, we making fried rice, right? So I'm just going to add me a little bit more oil. Probably should have did that before I put my rice in there, right? But hey, we still in the game. Now I'm gonna come through I'm gonna add some soy sauce on the side and then let that caramelize right. This is gonna give us some color. This is gonna give us some flavor. And then we move that around. Now I'm gonna add me a little bit of sesame oil in here also. And then also too, what I wanna do is add a little oyster sauce. So oyster sauce will go a long way. So a couple dashes will do. Hey, it's looking good, smelling good, fam. And then what I'm gonna do for some flavor, I'm gonna add a couple pinches of salt. Like so. And then I'm gonna come in with some MSG. A good pinch of that would do. Hey, and this is smelling good. It's almost done, fam. Like I said, this won't take long at all. So our rice is ready. And then we just add in our shrimp back in. And then lastly, we'll add in some green onion. And that's an easy shrimp fried rice recipe. Hey, it's smelling good and it's looking amazing, fam. Hey, let me bring you up to it. Look at this right here. Shrimp fried rice. We in the game, fam.